May I pray my respect to ท่านอาจารย์ Dr. พมหาจัญญา สัทยาโน May I pray my respect to all venerables who will come to watch this program, and good morning on devoted Buddhists. As a regular audience who come to watch this program. Today is my turn to give Dhamma talk in English. This is the program for helping or encouraging Dhammadutta monks to practice speaking or to practice giving Dhamma talk in English. My Dhamma talk will be on the high breathing. 38 high breathing from the Mangala Sutta. For today, we will come to the point of 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The topic of the point number 6. We'll come to discuss the higher breathing on the topic Atta Samma Panniti. Atta Samma Panniti translated into Thai การตั้งตนไว้ชอบ การตั้งตนไว้ชอบ Atta mean self or oneself. Samma mean right or virtuous or correct. Panniti like to establish, to set, to guide or to conduct, like that. In the full sentence, Atta Samma Panniti translated into English by the English chanting handbook, like to be guided by the rightful way. To be guided by the rightful way, or can be translated into other version, like to establish oneself in the right direction, or to be heading in the right directions, or to conduct oneself righteously, to set oneself in the right direction, or whatever. That is the translation, English translation. So the topic quite open. You can establish, you can be guided, or you can be set in or to the right direction, in righteousness, in the virtuous morality, virtuous conduct, or morality, or whatever, or even in goodness, to set oneself, to achieve oneself in the good deeds, or in the goodness, or in virtue, in morality, whatever. Buddha said, it is highest blessing. It is blessing for your life. It is true. If we set ourselves in the right direction, so our life will go to the right direction and will lead us to the right goal or to the final goal. Like you would like to go somewhere, If you take the right direction or the right path, the right way, that path will lead you to your right destination. If you take the wrong way and the wrong direction, you will never reach your destination, your goal, your place where you want to go. Likewise, our life, if we set it wrongly or in the wrong direction, the wrong thing, so our life will be destroyed or will be ruined, will be led to the wrong things, wrong direction, wrong goal, like that. So we can say that establish oneself in the right direction or in the righteousness or righteous conducts, righteous actions. We can say that we should, at least we should know that our life can be classified into three main paths. I don't know I use the right word or not. I mean, our action can be classified into three ways or three directions. First, bodily action. Second, verbal action. And third, like mental action. This is the action that our life, or that we can act, we can conduct, we can behave through these three ways, three ways. Okay, I think can be used, can make you understand. All this we can say the wholesome wholesome things or wholesome causes of action can be classified in detail through the three ways, three paths: bodily, verbal, and mental. We can say it become 10 wholesome causes of action. In Thai we call กุศลกรรมบท10 กุศลกรรมบท10 is the way to act righteously through the three ways of your life: body, speech, and mind. The 10 wholesome causes of actions divided into three parts. The wholesome action, wholesome bodily action consists of abstention or abstaining from killing. If you set yourself in the wholesome bodily action, first you had to abstain from killing or harming other people or all sentient beings, or killing any beings. Second, for bodily action, for wholesome bodily action, second one is abstention or abstaining from taking what is not given. The third one for wholesome bodily action is abstention from sexual misconduct. See, if you establish yourself on three wholesome bodily action, so it will bring a lot of benefits to your life. Your life will be free from any problem, any danger, any damage. If you kill others, if you harm others, you will confront, you will end up with many problems. You may have to pay a lot of money, or you may be prison. You may be taken into the prison, or even you will be killed in return, like that. Also, if you steal money or property of others, then they will harm you, they will fire you, or even they will kill you. Or if you if you do sexual misconduct, like you how to say, I don't know, can say violate, misconduct, sexual misconduct to other people, others wife, other people's wife, or even their daughters, you get a problem. You will get fight, you get killed, get harmed, or whatever. So, come to the second point. We should set ourselves into to the wholesome verbal action. Can be classified into 4 ways. First, your verbal actions should be abstention from false speech. Second, abstention from slander or malicious speech. Third, abstention from rude speech or harsh speech. Fourth, abstention from frivolous speech or idle speech or idle chatter or nonsense speech. This is the 4 wholesome verbal actions we should set our speech on, or when we had to speak, we should set our speech righteously, right, according to the 4 wholesome verbal actions. And then come to the third point or third part of the 10 wholesome causes of actions, that is wholesome mental action. Consists of 3 points, 3 ways. First, non-covetousness or abstention from covetousness, like no greed, not to become greedy. Second is non-evil or freedom from evil, or having a good view. You have a good mind, good intention, not to think about killing, harming, or stealing, or have the wrong intention to harm others. The third one is right view. This is the right view. That means make your thought go straight, or make your thought right, or righteous. Can be say right view. Right view is cover on the points. This is the 10 wholesome causes of action, or 10 wholesome actions that our life, or that we should set ourselves to, so that our life in the bodily parts, verbal parts, or mental parts will be good, or will be right, will go in the right way or righteously. Or you can say that establish oneself to the right direction, or in the right direction, like you change your life, you change, or you improve, you develop yourself into from the bad side, the bad thing, to the good thing. Like you don't have faith, you don't have sattha or faith, so you change yourself into the person who have a faith in Buddhism, or to have faith in doing good deeds, also will help, will support your life, or change or turn yourself from not having morality into the person who follow or who preserve the morality. That also will help your life, will improve your life, and will benefit your life. Or change yourself from the one who don't want to give, I don't know the correct word, what that, from a stinky, from becoming a stinky person to be a giver, like that, who love to give, who want to give, who like to give. Also, I can say it. You set yourself in the right direction, or right conduct, or set yourself from the person who don't want to listen Dhamma talk, or to correct, to have wisdom into the person who want to listen, who want to seek for the knowledge or for the wisdom. Also can be say you establish yourself in the right direction, in the right conduct. That means you set yourself into the righteousness, into the right thing, right conduct. Like you can improve yourself, or develop yourself, or change yourself into the right things, right conducts, right direction. Whatever would be, if you know yourself that, oh, I'm the wrong direction, and then change your way into the right direction. Or if you know, oh, this is the good direction, this is the good conduct, this is the good things to do, or this is the righteous thing to do, this is the helpful or goodful virtue, then you follow, you conduct, you take that way, you turn your life to that direction, and those things. That also means you establish yourself into the right direction, or you are heading to the right direction. You are conducting the right conduct. So this is the Dhamma talk from the Dhammatutta talk. Dhamma talk from Dhammatutta monks for this morning. Please forgive me for anything that maybe any mistake. For any mistake. I hope to see you next time. Have a good day.